Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I clean my washing machine. My washing machine desperately needed to be clean. As you can see, it is absolutely dirty. My husband is going to be doing laundry over the weekend, so I just want to get it clean for him for when he's ready to do our clothes. Guys, you have to remember one thing. Clean clothes start with a clean machine. Yes, sometimes we ask ourselves, why do we need to clean our washing machine? But guess what, guys? The items we use to clean do need to be cleaned as well. So as you're watching this video, I want you to ask yourself, when last did I clean my washing machine? And is it time for it to get clean? Probably is. So, hope you guys get some cleaning motivation from this video. Hope you enjoy it. And I hope you find some inspiration to go get your washing machine clean, because I know it needs to be clean. So today I'm going to use the Fresh to clean my washing machine. I've never used this before, and no, I did not go out and buy it. When I went to Walmart a couple months ago to do my Walmart grocery pickup, they gave me a gift goodie bag, and this was one of the items that was in it. So I wanted to try to wash my washing machine because, like I said, look how filthy my washing machine is. And this is what I'm using to clean my clothes. So it really needs to get clean. This is an old machine, so you can see a lot of rust on it. But as long as it works, I'm good with that. But we're definitely going to get it clean today, guys. So I hope you are ready for some cleaning motivation. Let's get into it. So before I use the Fresh, the first thing I'm going to do is use my Mrs. Meyer Clean Day multi-surface cleaner in the pony scent, and I'm just going to clean the surface areas that I know the Fresh won't reach.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. could.
Do you guys see how dirty that water is? That's just disgusting. This is filthy and really needs to be cleaned. Y'all, that water is so nasty. Did you see how dirty my washing machine was? Well, look how clean it is now. And this is just a surface area. Looks really clean. So now we have to get under the here, because that's one area that we sometimes forget to clean. Then I gotta clean inside here as well as around this section. You guys probably can't see it, but it's really dark, really black. And that's probably from my husband's work clothes. So let's just get this cleaned up. Look how amazing the before and after is, guys. Look how clean that looks compared to how it looked a while ago. Look at the difference. Oh gosh, guys, look at inside how much cleaner it looked than how it looked a while ago. Man, this I don't know why I keep saying dishwasher, but this washing machine was really filthy, guys. Look at that. Wow. So much different than how it just looked a few minutes ago.
When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun.
I did make sure the water that I had filled up in the washing machine, I emptied it out, and you'll see that I filled it up with clean water, because you definitely cannot use dirty water to clean your washing machine.
Against your dark clouds, I will always be your guiding light.
My apologies for how blurry this clip was, but I was adding the fresh little pod into my washing machine so that it could do its job. I'm also going to fill it up with some clean water, as well as make sure the water is extremely hot.
I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun.
We are at the end of this video, and now I get to show you the final result. This is the after, guys. My washing machine is clean. It looks so much better than it did before. Guys, you don't have to spend a lot to clean your washing machine, but you do have to remember that the machine you use to clean does need to be clean as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you got some cleaning motivation. Hope I help you remember that you need to wash your washing machine as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.